This is PerfleGrab, a free Spotify and YouTube downloader. No account, no ads, no limits. Paste a Spotify album and a YouTube video together, then press Analyze. It reads the real thing, every track, the cover art, the exact durations. Filter the list and untick anything you don't want. The count follows along, or take the lot. Presets set everything in one click. MP3 320, lossless FLAC, or 4K MP4. Advanced holds the rest. Subtitles in any language. A clipped section, custom file names, and a speed cap. Then press Download. 8 tracks download in parallel, with live speed and a real ETA. yt-dlp and FFmpeg are built in, so there is nothing else to install, and nothing leaves your machine. No link? Search YouTube inside the app, tick what you want, and send it straight to the queue. The queue holds exactly what you sent it and starts the lot on one click. Or schedule a grab once, daily, or weekly, and it runs on its own. There is a converter built in. Drop a file, pick a format, and FFmpeg does the rest. There is even a player with a 5-band equalizer and a live visualizer. Control-K opens the command palette. Every view, one keystroke away. Dark or light, 9 accent colors, 6 mood themes. No telemetry, no trackers. Free open source MIT license to Windows, Mac, and Linux. Link is in the description.